Here's the creepy. Is this you call this a house?
That is the garage.
Oh, that's a garage. There's a garage, the creepy house garage. Ugh. Comes out with a shotgun. Oh, is that the house?
Yeah.
There it is, over
It
there.
has an antenna dish for somebody to use something in it.
My feet are soaking wet.
I'm scared. Oh, look, there's a slide.
Here's the creepy inside here. Ooh, there's a hole in the roof. I'm going in, guys.
Oh, if it falls on you.
We'll be alright. Here's the creepy house garage.
I'm taking you to the hospital so anything happens.
I'll be alright! There's holes, and yeah, dude, it's creepy, kinda. Actually, I'm not even scared. If I hear like a snake, I'm gonna flip out, just so you guys know.
What's that moving on the ground?
You don't like to see?
There's the hole in the ceiling.
I was telling you this one.
Tractor. I don't know.
I'm not in the can
Well, it's nothing too exciting. I'd rather see the house. But yeah, this is...
There's some tops holding here.
I know. How old is that can?
Oh God, who knows?
Could you imagine the nice family that you see?
Yeah, until their husband killed him and shot himself.
Is this the path?
Yeah. Wait, what happened at this
Say.
It's supposed to be the guy killed his whole family and then shot himself. And I don't think the whole
Me and Kristen and them looked up stuff like of where this was. I don't know if this was on the list or not, but there was something about a guy who killed his family and then like killed himself. How the fuck did you get in there?
I'll be the medium.
Are those briars?
They didn't hurt last night.
Just asking, because they look like the big huge ass briar bushes.
No, it's good. What, does it hurt?
No. Shit. Aw, damn it. It's wet.
Yeah, I'm sure we got it last night. And then everybody went in except like me.
Here it is. Here's the house.
It's a little wet.
It's all wet, but it's just wetness.
I can't even deal with this. I'm freaked out right now.
Dude, this thing can fall in. It's all wobbly. Get in there.
Okay.
Get in there!
These
Damn
are
it.
said and done. The
Okay,
floor's
move
not
then.
broken in.
I'll go in. This was a small ass house.
Mm-hmm. It says posted.
It's okay.
It stinks.
Yeah, it smells like old house. Go figure. Oh, there's a birdhouse up in there.
You're gonna pour, okay? Because I'll put that.
There's like a flipped over mattress.
Somebody
Hole in the floor.
hit through this door.
Yeah.
Probably the bullets that hit their children.
Oh God, yeah. You can't really see. It's too dark. There's a hollow spot in there.
Oh yes, lock on it.
Ew, this looks like blood. It's red.
Oh my God, it does.
Right there. Shit.
Yes.
There's a hole in the floor over here.
There's blood in there.
There's like an old freezer. Hole in the floor. This must have been a bathroom. There's a sink.
Okay.
Must have been a bathroom. I want to go in and look out this window.
How long ago did people live in there?
Here's a window.
Ow, Julie, I just heard somebody died. Okay. Oh, I know. You're supposed to know all the answers to my question.
Well, sorry. Sometimes you just don't know everything. Shit.
Hey, Greg, do you want to come in?
Well, this is the haunted house. I don't know how haunted it is, but it's kind of freaky looking. I'll admit. This would be sweet to come to in the dark. Here's a
Oh,
hole.
like that.
I don't know. Well, I got some good feed. Haunted house. Go back out here. Probably be a lot better. Like we caved in a thing here. Yeah, it's caved in.
I remember running back really quick to this because I was really scared.
Okay, well, that's the haunted house. It wasn't scary, I'm sorry.